How do I claim Chime spotme? Yo, what's up everyone? Ever found yourself in that awkward moment when you're about to grab that last slice of pizza, but your bank account is looking a little too slim? Yeah, we've all been there. Well, if you're a Chime user, there might be a lifeline, spotme. But how do you actually claim it? That's what we're diving into today. Let's face it, unexpected expenses happen. Your car breaks down, rent is due early, or maybe you just really wanted that new pair of sneakers. Whatever the reason, running low on funds is never fun. That's where Chime's spotme feature comes in. It's like a financial safety net, giving you a little extra cash when you need it most. But here's the thing, spotme isn't automatic. You gotta meet a few requirements and then actually activate it. So, let's break it down. First things first, what is spotme? Spotme is basically an overdraft protection service offered by Chime. It allows you to overdraw your account by a certain amount without getting hit with those pesky overdraft fees. Think of it as a small loan from Chime until your next payday. Who's eligible for spotme? To qualify for spotme, you generally need to have an active Chime checking account, receive at least $200 in qualifying direct deposits each month. This could be from your job, gig work, or even government benefits. Agree to spotme's terms and conditions. Now, here's the kicker, even if you meet these requirements, spotme isn't automatically turned on. You have to manually enable it. How to claim your spotme? Open your Chime app. It's your one-stop shop for all things Chime. Head to the Settings tab. This is usually found at the bottom right corner of the app. Look for spotme. It should be an option in the Settings menu. Read and agree to the terms. Take a moment to understand the conditions and fees, if any. Enable spotme. Once you're cool with the terms, simply toggle the switch to on. And that's it. You've officially claimed your spotme. How much spotme can you get? The amount of spotme you can access depends on a few factors. Your account history with Chime, how often and how much you get paid, your spending habits. Generally, you start with a small limit and can gradually increase it over time by consistently using Chime and managing your finances responsibly. Important things to remember. Spotme isn't a free ride. While there are no overdraft fees, Chime might charge a fee if you don't repay the overdraft within a certain time frame. Build good financial habits. Spotme is a safety net, not a replacement for proper budgeting. Check your spotme limit regularly. It can change based on your account activity. So there you have it. Claiming your Chime spotme is pretty straightforward. But remember, it's essential to use it responsibly. Over-reliance on spotme can lead to a cycle of debt. Always strive to build a solid financial foundation and use spotme as a temporary solution, not a long-term crutch. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, keep your finances in check.